Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a noun chart. After making this project, I will show you how to explain this project. So let's start. Now our noun project is ready to explain. First let us understand what is noun. A noun is a word that functions as the name of a specific object or set of objects such as person, place, idea, animal, thing, emotion, etc. Then types of nouns. First, common noun. A common noun is a name for something which is common for many things, person or places. For example, country, city, girl, boy, school, park, hospital, etc. Then proper noun. A proper noun is a noun which refers to a single person, place or thing. For example, Delhi, Meena, Ram, Ganga, Yamuna, America, India, etc. Then concrete noun. A concrete noun is a noun which refers to the thing we can see and touch. For example, table, chair, bat, bowl, money, water, sugar, etc. Then abstract noun. An abstract noun is the exact opposite of concrete noun. It is a word for something that cannot be seen or touched. It refers to idea, qualities and condition. For example, truth, fear, humor, happiness, sorrow, friendship, etc. Then countable noun. The noun that can be counted are called countable noun. For example, book, pen, chair, bowl, dress, cake, etc. Then uncountable noun. The noun that cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. For example, rice, sugar, hair, water, oil, etc. Then compound noun. A compound noun is a noun that is made with two or more words. For example, cupcake, bus stop, football, breakfast, sunset, etc. Then collective noun. A collective noun is a word for a group of things, people or animals. For example, family, a group of members, class, a group of students, jury, a group of judges. So this is our noun project. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.